Welcome to how to make a free website tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to make a free website using WordPress. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to go to wordpress.com, then click on get started. Then use the sign in method that you want. I'll use Google. Then after you've successfully signed into your account, you need to search for the domain that you want in your website. So I will search for free website 999 UNDD. So there is this one, that's the best option for you. It's free forever. It's free website 999 UNDD.WordPress. Your website always will end with WordPress if it was free. So we are going to select the free one and then click continue. Select start with free. So here you can choose a theme or design your own one. I will choose an already designed theme. So I will choose this one. Then you can click on continue. And after you click on launch, your site now will be online. So you can edit your site and set up the site from here and do whatever you want. You can design it, you can add your name, add anything, and that's it. You've successfully made your free site. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.